Guys, welcome to my channel. If you did not subscribe yet, please go ahead, click on the subscribe button. That'll help the channel. This video is about a trees I have back there I'm about to cut. So I have a chainsaw. It's giving me a hard time. Every time I put it together, it's always messed up. Okay, this is I don't know what you call this thing, guys. I forgot the name of it. You see what I have here. If you know those tools, if you have this tool on your house, okay. If you have this tool, I'm gonna remove the blade. Okay, I have this blade here, guys. I'm gonna remove it. So this is for this blade I have there. It says small teeth. They are for small teeth. They are for I cut trees with it. I didn't know better, guys. So some of you guys doesn't know better. Small teeth is good for not woods. Okay, that's why I buy this. This is good for metals. That's why I have this, guys. If you look at it, the one for woods, they are bigger teeth. Like this one and this one's for wood. It says it right there, guys. Okay, so I'm going to try to cut this one, take one of them, replace this. I'm going to toss this thing out because this thing been here for a long time. It's ugly, and I use this thing for all the stuff. I cut trees with it, so it was giving me a hard time, so I bought this. What I'm about to do, take this thing apart. I'm going to take one out of it. I'm going to use the first one because I don't know the difference between 5 and 8p, so 8 TPI. This one got 6 TPI. I don't know what the difference it is, but I think this is fine. I'm going to cut this thing on the side there and take it out. I'm going to take one and replace it with this guy here. Replace it with this. Now first I'm going to try to see if this thing's still working. By the way, guys, this thing is, I bought it at Harbor Freight. That's where I bought it from. Even this one I bought it from Harbor Freight too. So I bought this on Harbor Freight. And it was for, I believe it was for $14.99. And if you have a membership over there, if you have a cousin who has a membership, you have anybody who has a membership, you know their numbers, they will give it to you for $9.99. So I didn't need all of them. Those are for those type are for, I don't know. It tells you what they are. Those little ones for metal. This small one for woods also. We said the teeth are different. You got the teeth on this, the teeth on that. So I'm gonna use this one first and see what happens, guys. Let me go take one apart and try to do this. This is how I open this. I tried to cut it here, which was the wrong way. I pulled this thing. See, it was like this, and I just pulled this thing like that. I didn't know how to open it. I put it like that, and I lift it up, and I saw this thing was inside of it. All I had to do, push it up. So I push it up like this, the thing come up, the whole thing come up. Okay, so you don't have to fight with it. There's a simple way to do this. Let me repeat again. You'll have it like this. Let's say, for example, it's like this. You're just trying to pull it on the side right there with your finger and trying to pull it. Okay, once you pull it, it's gonna be like this. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Try to lift this thing up. This thing. That's it. Then you can take one out. Okay, I take mine out. Okay, guys, I take mine out. I'm about to put it on. That's the Allen key they have for this thing. Take it out. When you're done with it, put it back. Okay, there's a hole there. You gotta look for it. Okay, yeah, trying to push this thing out. There's a hole here, guys, where you put the Allen key. This is where it is. You gotta unscrew that. Jesus Christ, this thing been tied up for a while. That's the Allen key. You gotta unscrew that, guys. There we go. Just unscrew it. That's it. This thing gonna be loose. You remove it, put the other one in. Then I can cut some trees. I have a tree back that's giving me a hard time. We're gonna show it live. I'm cutting it, guys. There it is. I don't know what kind of blade was this, but hey, it's going to garbage because I don't need that no more. So let me see if this machine is working. Last time I used it, it was working, guys. Let me plug it without the thing. Okay. Plug the machine if it's working. Okay, folks, this is working. Okay. I believe it is, but let me show you guys this thing. It's working, so now I can put the blade back in there. I gotta play around with this for the blades for this thing to come out. See, guys, that one. There we go. Stick this thing in there, and a little hole right there. As you guys can see this, stick it in there. Okay, it's ready to be sealed. Okay, guys, this is done. I gotta seal it. Right there, that's it. Okay, so it can't come out, guys. It is that simple. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more. This is how tight I can do it, guys. That's it. Why I'm wearing gloves? Because I like wearing gloves. Anything there's sharp stuff there, I wear gloves, guys. Nothing will cut me. This is pretty powerful glove from Harbor Freight. No relation, guys. They have cheap stuff over there. Oh, don't forget to put the Allen key back. Okay, folks. Put it back. Now let me go back there to cut some trees. Okay, folks, we're gonna cut some trees. Okay, let me pause the camera and go back there, set up the camera and cut some trees I need to cut. What the hell? Yeah, close this thing. Okay, folks, I'm gonna show you this thing instruction. Okay folks, I'm about to cut that big branch there. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm doing my best for you guys, and I'm gonna cut another one there. Let's see if I can do it fast and quick. Guys, you saw it cut off. It's a lot of work though. That's 3 to 4 minutes. I do have something that can cut it quicker. I have it on my channel also. So I tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel. I need to take this one off. That will be the end of this video. This guy, I'm gonna cut it. Should I cut it halfway? It's pretty tall. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, okay guys, at that level, there we go. Open one. Okay guys, this is the tools that I've been using, and let me change the name, RYOBI, and the blade warrior. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. That helps the channel if you did not subscribe yet. So I got more to come. I'm about to cut the front of the house. There's a tree there in front of the house I'm about to cut. Okay, I'm gonna trim it. Yeah, I don't have time to go up there to use the camera. It's getting dark, so I gotta hurry up, guys. Let me pause this and see if I can add this thing in there. Guys, this one stopping me to go out. That's in front of the house. Okay, this is the steps. There's 3 branches there. I'm gonna just cut this thing. Hopefully let me, I think I may try to cut this branch. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you when it's done. Guys, I clean up a little bit. See the stuff on the floor? Okay, so I gotta clean that thing. I cut a couple of them, guys. It's getting dark, so I think I'll probably do the rest of them tomorrow. I'm gonna clean up this thing. See, when you have tools, it's always good to have tools. Electronic tools are a lot easier because you don't need gas, you need current only. They don't tend to break often, guys. So until then, don't forget to subscribe to help me out. Or if you already subscribed, well, share it with somebody.